Faber Piano Adventures Level 4, page 44, playing a lead sheet. Now the lead sheet for this exercise is on page 45, and we'll talk about that in a minute. We've done this before in a few of the other books. So a lead sheet is when we have the melody line written, but for the bass line we only have chord symbols. And when we see those chord symbols, we need to play the corresponding chord with that symbol. So I'm going to go down to the broken chord warm-up at near the bottom of the page, and I'm going to play the chords that they show there. So the chords that we're going to be playing in this piece are D, and here's middle C. I'm in the bass area obviously, so there's D. We're going to play D slash F sharp, meaning the F sharp note is in the bass of that inversion. A G chord, an A7 chord, because it's like an A chord but the 7th tone is in it, and then back to a D, or a full D. So they have the warm-up down there, broken chord warm-up. It goes like this. So it's basically the same thing, but we're just playing them as a waltz. You want to get good at that because that's how you're going to play it for the Blue Danube on page 45. So they have an example at the very bottom of the page. I'm going to play it. I want you to listen. So that was the example. You'll notice at a point in that example at the beginning and near the end it says NC, which stands for no chord. It means don't play your left hand on those parts until the next chord symbol appears. Okay, so you really want to study this page, page 44, and get good at those chords before you attempt page 45. Okay? So that pretty much covers page 44. Read it, memorize those chords, and be able to play them broken, like the example of the broken chord warm-up example. Okay? Alright, that concludes 44.